Hello kids, welcome to the class. We have already completed our chapter 2, Plants Around Us, in which we have studied about different parts of a plant and its functions. We have studied about roots, stem, leaf, flower and fruits along with its functions in our previous videos. Along with that, we have studied about the green colored substance present in our plants, that is chlorophyll, which gives green color to the plants. Along with it, we have studied about photosynthesis, that is the making of the food by the plants. Then we have studied about classification of plants. We have studied about classification of plants on the basis of their stem. On the basis of the stem of the plants can be classified into 5 types, namely trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. These are the 5 types of plants that we see around us. Trees are very big plants. Shrubs are not as big as trees. Herbs are thin plants with green stem. Climbers are the plants which need support of others to climb up, and creepers are the plants which creeps on the ground. In our last video, we have discussed about these keywords along with other keywords also. Then after, we have discussed about definitions of various words that come in this chapter. Definitions of various terms that come inside this chapter. Now we are going to start to do the question answers of this chapter. Before we start our question answers, first let me explain how you have to write these things in your copy. Just see, you have to put the date. You have to put the date on the top of your copy, the date on which you are doing your work, along with the day. If you want, you can write the page number also. Here it is given page number. You can write the page number also, but date and day are mandatory for you all to write. Write the date and day on the top of your copy when you start writing the question answers. After that, on the first line of the copy, you have to mention the chapter number, that is chapter 2. On the topmost of the copy, you have to mention chapter number, that is chapter 2. Then name of the chapter or title of the chapter, that is Plants Around Us. The title of the chapter, that is Plants Around Us. Now your heading of question answers is something to know. Something to know. What you have learned from this chapter, we can judge it, we can evaluate you all from this. Now your first question is fill in the blanks. Your first question is fill in the blanks. Now in the heading filling the blanks comes first question. The first question in filling the blanks is Dash carries all the parts of the shoot in a plant. Dash carries all the parts of the shoot in a plant. We have already discussed about it. You all know the answer of it. It is the stem. The stem carries all the parts of the shoot in a plant. The second question is, the strong woody stem of a tree is called the dash. The strong and woody stem of a tree is called the dash. Yes, we have already studied about it. You all know the answer. I know you all know the answer. It is trunk. It is trunk. Third one, a dash has a thin and green stem. Out of 5 types of plants, which type of plant has thin and green stem? It is the special feature of that plant. Yes, you all know it is a herb has a thin and green stem. Now the fourth question is, muskmelon and grass are examples of which type of plant? Muskmelon and grass are examples of which type of plants? Can you name them? Yes, muskmelon is kharbooj. Yes, and grass. You all know that grass creeps on the ground, and the muskmelon is a heavy fruit of a plant. So it can be according to the characteristic of the characteristic or features of the plant. It is a creeper. It is. These are the examples of creeper. Question number 5 is, dash is an example of a climber type of plant. Dash is an example of a climber type plant. Okay, we have studied the examples already. We all know about the examples of climbers. That is money plant. This plant we usually see around our houses. This type of plant we usually see around our houses. Yes, so the first one is stem, second one is trunk, third one is herbs, fourth one is creeper, and fifth one is money plant. First stem, second trunk, third herb, fourth creeper, and fifth money plant. Now comes your second question, that is question number B. Match the following. Question number B, match the following. Okay, in this 5 questions are given, 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 A B C D. 5 another column is given. You have to match these columns with each other. Okay, here it is given, match the following, but when you will write the answers, you don't have to match because it makes it a little clumsy. Okay, it doesn't look nice when you match it. So when you write it in your copy, you have to write in front of the you have to write the answer in front of question number 1. Like the answer to question number 1 is question 1, tree. The answer to question number 1, tree, is D, mango. So you have to write it here, D, mango. Like this you have to write. Like this you all have to write. Second, the answer to second question, shrub. Shrub is rose. That is E. Rose. Okay. Third one is herb. Herb here. Herb is yes. Tomato is a herb. Tomato is a herb. When you see a plant of tomato, it has green stem and it is very thin. The fourth one is climbers. Fourth one is climber, and the answer to this is C. Pea plant. C. Pea plant. And the last one left is creeper. That is A. Bitter gourd. So this is the way you have to write your answer. In this way you have to write the answer. You don't have to match the columns. You have to write the answers in front of the first column. Okay, I hope you all got it. You have to write the answers in front of the first column. This is column 1 and this is column 2. So this is in front of the first column. You have to write the answer to this question. Let me repeat it once again. Question 1, tree is D. Mango. 2. Shrub. E. Rose. 3. Herb. B. Tomato. 4. Climber. C. Pea plant. 5. Creeper. A. Bitter gourd. Now come your third question, that is tick the correct option. Now comes your third question, that is tick the correct option. It is also sometimes known as multiple choice question. Multiple choice question as it comes in your exam. It is multiple choice question. In short, it is known as MCQs. Multiple choice question. In short, MCQs. So, your third question, tick the correct option, in which there are three questions, and each question has been given 4 options. You have to find the correct option. Let's see. The plant that give shade to humans and animals are called. Which plant gives shade to humans and animals? Can you guess the name? The plant that is very tall, that have various branches and which takes a lots of space. That plant can give shade to others only, and according to the features of the plant, shrubs do not give shade to humans and animals. Herbs, they are very small, thin and green plants. Creepers, they creep on the ground and you cannot sit below it. So your choice is B, that is trees. Trees gives shade to the humans and animals. Now the second question is, the part of a plant that stores seed is known as. Okay, we have already studied about the parts of the plants and its functions, and we all know that each and every plant have its own function. So the part of plant which stores seeds is known as. Does a leaf store seed? No, the leaf does not store a seed. Does a stem store seed? No, it also do not store seed. And roots also do not store seed. But the fruits that we eat, the various fruits that we eat, it stores seed in them. The various fruits that we eat is stores seed in them. So the answer to second question is fruit. The part of plant that stores seed in them is known as fruit. The third question is the plants that look like bushes with many branches are known as. Earlier we have studied about it. In our previous videos we have studied about it. The plant which look like bushes are called. Does the climbers look like bushes? No, they don't look like bushes. They need support of others to stand straight. Does the herbs look like bushes? No, they also do not look like bushes because they are very small plants with thin and green stems. Does the trees look like bushes? No, because trees occupies a large space, and that's why they do not look like bushes. But your fourth option, the shrubs, it look like bushes because the stem of these plants the branches of these plants arise from the base of the stem. The branches of these plants arise from the base of the stem, and these plants look like bushes. Okay, let's see once again. Question number 1. The plant that gives shade to humans and animals are called trees. Question number 2. The part of a plant that stores seeds is known as fruit. Question number 3. The plants that look like bushes with many branches are known as shrubs. Now comes how you have to write this question. About question number A and B we have already discussed, but about this question number C, in this question also you have to write the whole question. You have to write the whole question along with all the 4 options. In the previous works I have given to you, you all have sent only writing the answers only, but now you have to write the whole options, all the 4 options. All the 4 options you have to write in your copy. Okay, like question number 1, the plants that give shade to humans and animals are called shrubs, trees, herbs, creepers, and then after you have to take the correct answer. Like this, like I have written in my copy, you too have to write in your copy. Let's see it once again. Question number 1. First you have to write the date and day. First you have to write the date and day on the topmost of your copy. Then chapter number, then chapter name, something to know. This too you have to write. You don't use to write this. Something to know. Then filling the blanks. Question number A, filling the blanks. Stem carries all the parts of the shoot in a plant. The strong woody stem of a tree is called a trunk. The herb has a thin and green stem. Question 4, muskmelon and grass are example of creepers. 5, money plant is an example of a climber type plant. Question number B, match the following. In match the following you don't have to match column 1 and 2 with each other. You have to write answer of column 1 in front of it. Like I have written, you don't have to match with it. You have to write the answer in front of it. Once again I am repeating it. You have to write the answer in front of it. Trees, mango, shrub, rose, herb, tomato, climber, pea plant, creeper, bitter gourd. And Question number C. Tick the correct option, which is also known as multiple choice question or MCQs. Tick the correct option. It is also known as multiple choice questions or MCQs. Sometimes maybe in your questions it may come MCQ, so don't get bothered about it. MCQ means multiple choice question or tick the correct option. The first question is, the answer to first question is B, trees. Second question is A, fruit, and third question is D, shrubs. Hope you all have understand how you have to make your copy and how you have to make it beautiful. You can use color pencils, as you have to write with pencils only, so you can use color pencils to write the headings. Like I have used red pen over here. You can also use color pencils to make your copy look beautiful. Okay, you can use color pencils to write the answers, fill in the answers, tick the correct options and put the headings. But don't use red color and green color pencils. Except for red color and green colored pencils, you can use any color in your copy. Don't use red color and green color in your copy. That's all. Hope you all have understand this. See once again. That's all for today. Thank you.